Elements, alkaline earth metals, lecture 3, compounds of magnesium. First one, MgO, magnesium oxide. Are also called as magnesia. Preparation methods of MgO. Preparation methods of MgO. First one, on thermal decomposition of magnesium nitrate, magnesium carbonate, magnesium hydroxide. Thermal decomposition of magnesium nitrate, magnesium carbonate, magnesium hydroxide to form magnesium oxide. Second one, magnesium directly reacts with oxygen to form magnesium oxide. Next one, properties. Properties of magnesium oxide. Magnesium oxide, Mg state +2 state, oxygen -2 state. MgO reacts with water, H plus and OH minus, to form magnesium hydroxide. MgO reacts with HCl, H plus Cl minus, to form magnesium chloride MgCl2. MgO reacts with carbon to give magnesium carbon monoxide. MgCl2, 5MgO, 5H2O is called Sorel cement. Sorel cement. Magnesium hydroxide, milk of magnesia, milk of magnesia. Calcium hydroxide, lime water. Magnesium chloride reacts with calcium hydroxide, Mg +2 state, Cl minus, +2 state OH minus, to form magnesium hydroxide, precipitate and calcium chloride. Magnesium oxide undergoes hydrolysis, +2 O -2 H plus OH minus, to form magnesium hydroxide. Magnesium hydroxide reacts with HCl, Mg +2 state OH minus, H plus Cl minus, to form MgCl2. It can absorb moisture from atmosphere to form hydrated MgCl2. That means MgCl2 6H2O. Next, properties of MgCl2. MgCl2 6H2O. On thermal decomposition of MgCl2 6H2O, Mg +2 state, Cl minus, H plus, OH minus, forms Mg magnesium hydroxide. Further, upon heating, to form magnesium oxide. On thermal decomposition of MgCl to 6H2O, MgCl2 cannot obtained. On thermal decomposition, only magnesium hydroxide is obtained. MgCl2 cannot obtained. MgCl2 6H2O reacts with atmospheric HCl to form MgCl2 anhydrous. Hydrated MgCl2 anhydrous MgCl2. Second one, magnesium carbonate. Preparation methods for magnesium carbonate. Magnesium sulfate reacts with sodium hydrogen carbonate to form magnesium carbonate. Second preparation method, magnesium hydrogen carbonate. On thermal decomposition of magnesium hydrogen carbonate to form magnesium carbonate, carbon dioxide and water molecule. General preparation methods for magnesium carbonate. Properties. Magnesium carbonate reacts with carbon dioxide and water molecule to form magnesium hydrogen carbonate. Magnesium carbonate reacts with HCl to form magnesium chloride. Mg plus 2 state, Cl minus H plus, MgCl2. On thermal decomposition of magnesium carbonate to form magnesium oxide and carbon dioxide. Magnesium carbonate preparation method from magnesium sulfate, from magnesium hydrogen carbonate, and properties. Magnesium sulfate. Preparation methods for magnesium sulfate. First one, A. Magnesium carbonate reacts with sulfuric acid to form magnesium sulfate. Mg plus 2, CO3 minus 2, H plus, SO4 minus 2, 2H plus. Second one, MgCO3, CaCO3, dolomite, ore, reacts with sulfuric acid to form magnesium sulfate. Properties of Epsom salt. General formula of Epsom salt, MgSO4 7H2O. MgSO4 7H2O. On thermal decomposition, temperature 150 degrees Celsius to form MgSO4H2O. 200 degrees Celsius to form MgSO4 anhydrous. Strongly heating to form MgO SO2 plus O2. Magnesium, important note, magnesium is main constituent in chlorophyll, main constituent in chlorophyll. First one, limestone, formula CaCO3. On thermal decomposition of calcium carbonate to form calcium oxide, that means quicklime, carbon dioxide. Calcium oxide undergoes hydrolysis to form calcium hydroxide, slaked lime. By the addition of excess of water to slaked lime to form lime water. Calcium oxide reacts with carbon to form calcium carbide. Calcium carbide undergoes hydrolysis. Calcium carbide, ionic state Ca plus 2, 2C minus 2, 2H plus, 2OH minus, CaOH twice, plus C2H2, acetylene. Calcium carbide undergoes hydrolysis to form acetylene, C2H2 acetylene. Hence, calcium carbide is called as acetylide. Acetylide. Why? Because it produces acetylene. Calcium carbide reacts with nitrogen to form calcium cyanamide. Calcium cyanamide. To form calcium cyanamide. The mixture of calcium cyanamide and carbon is called as nitrolim. Nitrolim. It is used as fertilizer. It is used as fertilizer. It is dissociate calcium cyanamide, dissociate Ca plus 2, NCN minus 2, sp hybridization, carbon hybridization, sp linear. Hydrolysis of calcium cyanamide to form cyanamide. Cyanamide undergoes hydrolysis to form urea. Urea undergoes hydrolysis to form ammonia, carbon dioxide and ammonia. Limestone on thermal decomposition of limestone to form calcium oxide, quicklime. Quicklime undergoes hydrolysis, slaked lime, excess of water added to the slaked lime to form lime water. Calcium oxide reacts with carbon to form calcium carbide. Calcium carbide undergoes hydrolysis to form acetylene. Calcium carbide produces acetylene. Hence, calcium carbide is called as acetylide. Calcium carbide reacts with nitrogen to form calcium cyanamide and the carbon. The mixture of calcium cyanamide and carbon is called as nitrolim. It is used as fertilizer. Calcium cyanamide undergoes hydrolysis to form cyanamide. Cyanamide undergoes hydrolysis to form urea. Urea undergoes hydrolysis to form ammonia. Calcium hydroxide reacts with chlorine to form CaOCl2. That means bleaching powder. Bleaching powder. Bleaching powder consists of 3 ions, Ca plus 2, OCl minus and Cl minus. Chemical name calcium hypochlorite. Calcium hypochlorite, chloride. Calcium hydroxide reacts with washing soda, that means sodium carbonate. Ca plus 2, OH minus, Na plus, CO3 minus 2 to form sodium hydroxide, that means caustic soda, and calcium carbonate. Calcium hydroxide reacts with washing soda, means sodium carbonate to form caustic soda. Test for carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide is colorless, odorless gas. Colorless and odorless gas. It is identified by using calcium hydroxide. Calcium hydroxide is base, carbon dioxide is acid. To form calcium carbonate, insoluble means precipitate. Calcium carbonate, excess of carbon dioxide pass through the calcium carbonate to form calcium hydrogen carbonate. It is soluble, clear solution. Next one, gypsum. Gypsum formula calcium sulfate dihydrate, that means 2H2O. Calcium sulfate dihydrate. Orthorhombic form. That means very soft in nature. Orthorhombic form means soft in nature. Temperature less than 393 Kelvin. On heating less than 393 Kelvin, gypsum is converted to monoclinic form. Monoclinic form means hard form. Orthorhombic means soft form. Orthorhombic form, temperature less than 393, on heating less than 393 Kelvin. Orthorhombic form converted to monoclinic form. At 393 Kelvin, temperature 393 Kelvin, on heating 393 Kelvin, it loses water molecule to form CaSO4 half H2O. That means calcium sulfate hemihydrate. Calcium sulfate hemihydrate is called plaster of Paris, POP. Plaster of Paris. Above 393 Kelvin to form calcium sulfate CaSO4. At 1700 degrees Celsius to form high temperature, strongly heating strongly heating to form CaO plus SO2 oxygen. Gypsum calcium sulfate dihydrate orthorhombic form, soft in nature at less than 393 Kelvin on heating to form monoclinic form. Monoclinic form is hard. At 393 Kelvin form calcium sulfate hemihydrate, it loses water molecule. 393 above 393 Kelvin to form calcium sulfate. Calcium sulfate on heating 1700 degrees Celsius to form calcium oxide, sulfur dioxide and oxygen. Plaster of Paris. Plaster of Paris. Formula CaSO4 half H2O, calcium sulfate hemihydrate, calcium sulfate hemihydrate, by the addition of water to POP, addition of water to calcium sulfate hemihydrate, that means POP, to get hardness. This process is called as setting of POP. Plaster of Paris. Setting of POP catalyzed, may be catalyzed NaCl. What is catalyst? Which increases the rate of reaction. Addition of borax or alum to POP makes setting is very hard. The mixture is known as knee cement. Plaster of Paris, POP, CaSO4 half H2O. On heating 200 degrees Celsius, it loses water molecule to form calcium sulfate, anhydrous calcium sulfate. Anhydrous calcium sulfate is called as dead plaster. Plaster of Paris undergoes hydrolysis. To form calcium sulfate dihydrate, that means gypsum orthorhombic form, hardening to form monoclinic. Plaster of Paris.